Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell, and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. The town of Portmore in St. Mary should be getting a $217 million state-of-the-art fire station to be funded by the Jamaica Social Investment Fund. The contract was signed sometime in 2019 at the office of the Prime Minister in St. Andrew. The facility will house up to 80 firefighters and serve more than 100,000 residents in the parish, as well as persons in the neighboring parishes of St. Ann and Portland. So before we get a close-up of the Portmore Fire Station construction, let's take a look at the brief history of the movements. The Portmore Fire Station was originally located here on Banana Street along the coastline. Now here is a bird's eye view of the same location. Sometime later on, the fire station was relocated to here, which is in front of the Portmore Public Hospital, and this is on Stennett Street. Presently, it's being housed here, waiting on the new construction to be completed. And this is in front of the Portmore Cemetery. Here's a bird's eye view of the current location. The new Portmore Fire Station construction should include the construction of 3 single-story structures to house firefighting equipment, engine bays, dormitories, and administrative and training facilities. Just left across the road is the Jamaica Public Service Limited, Portmore branch. Just a reminder, the facility is expected to serve 100,000 residents in the parish, as well as persons in the neighboring parishes of St. Ann and Portland, and also improve response time as well as the human resource and equipment capability. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.